Hello, today we will guide you through how to create a budget with Claude AI. In this quick walkthrough, you'll learn how to use Claude to generate a simple budget by starting a new chat and entering a clear prompt. This is a helpful way to get a budgeting framework quickly, especially if you want a starting point that you can later adjust based on your own income, expenses, and financial goals. To begin, open Claude in your browser and go to the New Chat page. Starting with a fresh chat is useful because it gives you a clean space to describe exactly what kind of budget help you need. Once the new chat screen loads, you'll see the message box where you can type your request. In that chat box, enter a sample prompt about creating a budget. Keep your wording direct and specific so Claude can give you a more useful response. For example, you can ask it to create a monthly budget, organize expenses into categories, or help you plan around savings and bills. The more clearly you describe what you want, the better the results will usually be. After typing your prompt, press Enter to send it. Claude will then generate a budgeting response based on your request. Depending on how you phrase the prompt, the reply may include suggested categories like housing, groceries, transportation, entertainment, and savings. It may also present the information in a structured format that is easier to review and refine. As you do this, remember that AI-generated budgets are best used as a starting point rather than a final financial plan. You'll still want to review the suggestions carefully and make sure they match your real spending habits and priorities. If the first response feels too broad, you can continue the conversation and ask Claude to revise the budget, make it simpler, or tailor it to a certain monthly income range. A good tip is to be as practical as possible with your prompt. If you want a beginner-friendly budget, say that. If you want something detailed, mention that too. Clear instructions help Claude produce something more relevant and easier to use. That's all it takes to get started creating a budget with Claude AI. Open a new chat, type your budget prompt, and send it to receive a customized starting point you can build on.